Hey, first-time homeowners, if you want to keep your toilet tank rust-free, de-gunked and de-stunk, you need to clean and descale it every 6 months. Oh, and also, your toilet tanks you in advance. Don't look so guilty. Your parents probably didn't do this either. Over time, mold, mildew, minerals, bacteria, and rust can build up, sticking up your bathroom and corroding your commode's components. But tending to your toilet tank can prevent problems. Here's how. Turn off the water to the toilet at the valve. Remove the lid. Flush the water out. Fill the tank with distilled white vinegar, which could take as much as 3.5 gallons. Let it sit overnight. Flush the toilet to empty the vinegar. Scrub out the inside of the tank with a brush. Wipe everything down. Restore water flow. Let the tank refill. Give it a flush. Put the lid back on. And there you have it. Your toilet tank and your conscience are clean.